Welcome to our series of how-to videos. In this video, we show you how to enter a new order, including the import of an XML file if the XML file has been sent by the keeper in advance. In the opening screen of the tool, we go on the menu Orders, and then we click on the blue button on the upper right corner in order to generate a new order. Here we select the customer, enter the order number, and enter the customer order number accordingly. Then we decide if we want to enter an order for a wagon maintenance or a wheelset maintenance. In this case, we select wheelset maintenance. And as we have received an XML file from the keeper in advance, we can click on this button and select the XML file from our server. Here we see on the scrolling bar that the tool is importing the data, and we see the result ending in the entered wheelset number. We click on the blue button and get back to the opening screen. Here on the top of the screen we see the new order which has been generated by the tool. Just to double check, we can click on the order and open it, and here we see that the data of the XML file has been imported. Then we can go back to the opening screen and hand over the order to the worker in order to enter his data. That's it for the video of how to generate a new order with importing an XML file.